The National Weather Service in Los Santos International Airport has issued a hurricane warning for Maespancarena County in San Andreas, La Puerta Freeway County in Los Santos International Airport, Strawberry County in Los Santos, until 3:00 p.m. At 2:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm, heavy rain and hurricane capable of producing a fire-induced hurricane and outflow winds in excess of 115 miles per hour, was located south of Los Santos, and is nearly stationary. Hazard: hurricane, thunderstorms and heavy rain. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: extreme wind behavior with strong outflow winds capable of downing trees, and starting near Hurricane Michael. This is an extremely dangerous situation for Los Santos. This tornadic percumulonimbus will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern La Puerta Freeway County in the vicinity of the hurricane. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the highest hurricane of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter, and protect yourself from flying debris.